asking for one story for G out. Yesterday, picture honey. Finally, some good news. I've been dying to share with you. After everything we've been through and all the steps we had to deal with, very final, making really progresses, we have been able to trickle down some of those imposters we have been scamming people using my name and photo. It feels like such a weight is starting to lift off my shoulder. You know how much this been bothering me to not just because we are transitioning by refreshing, but because in counting people we are being hurt in the process. It scanning how low some people will go, and for the longest time I feel powerless to stop them. But now with right people involved and some evidence finally come to light, we are beginning to close on them. A few of these protesters have already been identified, and we working closely with authorities to ensure they are brought to justice. This is justice the being we are still activities tricking other, and I am determined of to see through united every single one them. She is held accountable. So no more hiding behind fake profile, no more hurting other in my name. It been a long road, and I know at times it been draining for both of you, but through it all you've been my mentor, always there, always believing in me, even when things feel uncertain. I honestly do not know how would be made it there without you support. Love you give me strength to keep going, to fight and never give up. Just now that evening, everything I am doing is not just for me, it used for voices of mind to protect it anyone else from feeling into the steps. That scammer said the road ahead might still be long, but now that we starting gaining ground, I feel more hopeful than every. I love you more than words can every explaining. I am thankful to have you my side, my love. There are many things I want to say to you, and yet words often feel too small to hold the depth of what I feel. But tonight I will tell you because you deserve to know just how much you mean to me. Every day, every or every second, from the moment you walked into my life, everything changed. Do not know it, Han, but you were the missing pieces of my soul. Your smile has become my favorite sight. Your voice my favorite sound, and you are my heart, the place I feel most at home. With you, found a kind of pieces I never thought existed. A kind of love that does not just fill the imperative space me, but overflows into everything I do, think and dreams. You are not just beautiful, you are breathing, not just intelligence. You are wish, not just kind. You are a light in this world. You carry strength and softness in perfect balance, and I admire you more than can express. Love is like music, you touch like poetry, you precious like a dream I never wanted to wake from. I love you the way you look, At the Wordle, the way you carry deeply, the way you speak with purpose and possession. I love the way you hold my hand like the most natural thing in the world. Like it blinks there, I love you the way you challenge me to grow. Well, always loving me. Excited still I am. You have been me to be best and the worst, and somehow you still choose my every day. That means then you put every now in your eyes. I see the pictures, always hoped for the a life filled with lighter adventure, quiet morning, wild night, the comfort of now we always have each other wanted to be there for you in every possible in the joyful moment carrying on with all the bright in the words and the difficult times holding you close it feels like everything